What's going on, guys? Greg here. Today I'm going to be putting in new hood struts on the Mark IV Supra. So we're here in the engine bay. You can see that I am using the regular hood prop, and I figured for 60 bucks, I had some eBay bucks, might as well use them. Put in some hydraulic hood struts so I no longer have to use the hood prop, and I can just open the hood and it'll fly right open. Pretty cool. So install, I think, is pretty simple on this. I got this on eBay. It was like $50 plus $10 shipping. A company called Soki Tech makes them. They had good reviews. They look OEM, just gloss black. There's the hood struts, and then there's the hardware, and there's the instructions. I already did the driver's side, and now we'll make it super easy and do the right side. So tools that we need: 10mm wrench. This is just for my car. It's a T30 Torx because I changed out the fender bolts with Torx bolts. And we need a 12mm socket wrench. And that's really it. Okay, so we're here under the hood. This is a 12mm bolt. We only have to remove the top one, and we're gonna put the bracket. This is the right side, you can see. It's gonna go like that. Get that closer look. So this groove in the bracket is going to fit over this groove, and it's pretty much gonna go just like that. And then for the stud, this fender bolt, the one that's by the shock tower mount, this comes out, and you put the washer on this stud and you screw it in. You tighten it up with a 10mm wrench, and that's really all you have to do as far as tools go. And then the hood strut just pops onto the balls on the stud on each of the mounts. To go ahead and remove this. All hand tools here. You don't really need anything else. No power tools. Simple stuff. So the bolt comes out. Line up the bracket how I showed you, and then just put the bolt back in. And the bolt is cone shaped on the threads, so it will center out this bracket automatically. And then just try to keep this the hood bracket here as straight as possible. So this has to come out too. If you have the factory hardware, it should be a 10mm socket for this one. Okay, that's out. Now we can go ahead and grab our ball stud and our washer and thread it back in. Perfect. Okay, so we have that tightened down. This one's tight. Now we just got to grab our hood strut. The black piece goes on the hood, and the rod goes onto the fender. It's already greased. You just put it on top, and it should pop in with a little bit of force, like that. First, I have to take this off. Okay. Now, use my shoulder, line it up, pops in, and you're done. So I've officially completed hood strut installation on both sides. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and test them out. So they're held up completely by the hood struts right now. You can see my hood prop. It's put away. I can even take that out if I wanted to clean up the bay a little bit. But now, let's see how strong they are. Okay. Okay, so, I mean, holding it up. Let's see how far high I have to hold it before the hood struts. Okay, so it's like a little over halfway where it starts to hold itself up. Anything lower than this, the hood starts to fall. I guess you don't want it too strong where it could crack your hood, or if you pop the hood open and it starts flying upwards. But yeah, it holds. And then it slowly goes up a little bit like that. But yeah, overall 60 bucks. I'm impressed. So super easy install. I'll post a link to purchase those down below. They're from eBay. Soaky Tech is what they're called, and I gotta say, not bad at all. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like and the subscribe button if you want to see more Supra videos. See you guys.